Hello friends, katal job ni notification ate hastene jobs YouTube channel no rajotona lamsago fighting kesang tine National IOS Mission ni bisinte katal recruitment ni notification kaisa nalenai 3 October 2023 tarikh no akhorka notification o post angka contractual basis na tilajaknai 11 man ni bagai 11 man ni porio performance ni bisingte na narokna exchange khaijak mano ni sajagoro fighting kesang name of the post the category wise vacancies ni details nalenai ek number jak tango program manager post ni bagai 45,000 salary jaknai ekta tongnai UR post ni bagai consultant NAM post ni bagai 41,000 salary post tongnai ekta UR rok ni bagai finance manager post ni bagai 44,000 salary UR rok ni bagai ekta tongnai post consultant HMIS post ni bagai 41,000 salary UR ni bagai post ekta tongnai district program manager post ni bagai salary 41,000 rejaknai total vacancies tongnai 4ta HC ekta ST ekta tei UR rok ni bagai 2ta tongnai district data entry operator post ni bagai 17,000 salary rejaknai total vacancies 4ta na tongnai HC ni bagai ekta ST ni bagai ekta UR ni bagai 2ta post tongnai fighting kesang post wise qualification details na nalenai program manager post ni bagai graduation khaje tongke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai consultant NAM post ni bagai bachelor degree in BAMS BHMS BSMS BUMS BYNS omotahe qualification tongke o post ni bagai application khaimana finance manager post ni bagai qualification ke MBA finance MCOM CA ICWA omotahe qualification tona nangnai consultant MHIS post ni bagai MBA IT MCA MSc IT MCA omohai qualification tona nangnai ge district program manager post ni bagai graduation khaja tongke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai healthcare management human research master in health hospital administration omohai qualification tongke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai district data entry operator post ni bagai qualification ke graduation teologio computer science ni 1 year diploma course khaja nangnai enke naro jara interested candidate tongnai o post ni bagai application submission khaina bagai oro address jak tongo naro physically thangai na application submit ma khainai address ongka room number 303 second floor the mission director NHMN member secretary SAMT place compound Agartala West Tripura pin number jak tongo naro 5 October 11 AM ni simi 17 October 2023 tarikh jratai application submission khaimana application form ni logio documents ni details jak tongo norok video ni description thani notification download khlai kaham khenai nadi or koboma documents ni details jak tongo selection process ke total score tongnai 100 mark academic performance index API ni 50 mark te interview ni 50 mark tongnai application form ongka omo application form norok notification na mannai a video ni description notification ready nai norok video ni description thani kaham khenai nadi naro nugui mankana National IOS Mission ni bisingte katal recruitment ni notification omohai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastene jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai support khaidi tei naro katal job ni notification nugui mannai।